Physical strength has been important to a broad range of careers all through history, and it still is today. While technology constantly brings innovations that make many types of work easier to do, machines haven't replaced muscles completely. Many employers test potential hires to weed out those who lack the physical strength or conditioning to perform the work safely. Static strength, being able to exert maximum muscle force to move heavy objects, is used by structural metal workers positioning massive steel units for assembly. Static strength is also needed when nursing aides, orderlies, and attendants transfer patients to and from beds or wheelchairs. Dynamic strength involves applying muscle force repeatedly over time without tiring. This can mean being able to spend hours cutting, stretching, and nailing carpeting inside an office, or raking, weeding, and planting the grounds outside. Trunk strength relies on powerful abdominal and lower back muscles for jobs that require continuous and often heavier effort. Production laborers and helpers in many construction categories are entry-level workers whose brawn is generally more prized than brain power. They're called upon to load, carry, and hold heavy materials, often in awkward positions, for long periods. Explosive strength shows up in short bursts of muscle force, as when a dancer leaps across the stage, or a lifeguard dives into action to get to a struggling swimmer. Most careers require a fair amount of mental might. For some tasks, however, there's no substitute for physical strength.